All right, say Happy Easter, everybody.
Happy Easter, everybody.
All right, let's go downstairs to see if the Easter Bunny came. Careful. Did he come?
No.
He didn't?
No.
Why not? Are you looking hard enough? You gotta look all over. Where do you think the Easter Bunny might have left your basket if he came?
I don't know. I don't know.
You want to turn the TV on?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the remote?
Right on the couch.
All right, turn it on.
Maybe you can find something on film.
Okay, what do you want? Ooh, that's loud. Do you think the Easter Bunny really forgot you?
Yeah.
Really? Did you look all over for your Easter basket?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you look on all the tables?
Hey.
What?
It's like on the table.
It is on the table.
Hey, what's this? What's this?
Those are little cups, it looks like.
Oh, what's that these?
Jelly beans.
Ooh.
Remember, okay, no more because you got to eat breakfast, right?
Yummy.
Yeah. Can you tell the Easter Bunny thank you?
But it's not here.
I'll send him the video. Elijah,
What?
tell the Easter Bunny thank you.
Thank you.
Say bye. Have a happy Easter.